Congrats, congratulations. I'm happy to begin this first in Africa commencement ceremony to confer degrees, MBA degrees of Lincoln University. This ceremony is a result of hard work of SKB Executive Business School and Lincoln University during about 1.5 years. This is a real pleasure for me to do it because it was never done before, and it's like a real challenge for us to bring our professors to Nigeria and to teach you. I believe that your future life will be influenced by this degree. You will get better jobs, you will create better businesses, and the knowledge which you received in this program will be really valuable in future. Lincoln University is a small university, so to be able to survive in this complicated world, we have to be really special to our students. They have to feel the university like their family, and we have to provide real quality of education. So this is our goal, together being close to each other for quality. And we will stay with this in future. And if you ever visit Lincoln, I'm happy to invite you, and I'm happy to celebrate with you your degrees, and I'm sorry not to be with you today just because of certain circumstances. So instead of me, the degrees will be given by Dr. Alan Sampson, who is the chairman of the Board of Trustees of Lincoln University and also a adjunct professor.